OMG, LMAO, LOL, ISBN. No, ISBN is not another texting lingo. It's actually one of the most important things in publishing. Those little lines or numbers in the back of your book, that's an ISBN. But what even is it? And do you need one? Let's try understanding it a little better. An ISBN, or International Standard Book Number, is a unique 13-digit identifier assigned to every book. It contains important information like book title and author, book format, publisher, and country of publication. Every single version of your book will have a unique ISBN. So if you're publishing in multiple formats like paperback, hardcover, or ebook, each version of your book will have a separate ISBN. It's needed by publishers, online retailers, libraries, and booksellers for things like stock management, sales records, verification purposes, and book lists. In India, there is a national agency which is the only official body that issues ISBNs. So you can log into their website and apply for it. You can find the link for this in the description. However, this could take months or even years to get an ISBN since the demand for it is very high. If you want to skip the waiting time, you can go to a self-publishing platform like Notion Press. We will handle the entire process for you and ensure your book gets an ISBN. I hope this clears all your confusion around ISBNs. If you have any more scary jargon that you're confused about, let us know in the comments and we'll help clear your doubts. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!